Harmful bacteria love room temperatures, between 40 degrees and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. To keep our food safe, we make sure it is kept hot and cold. But here's the twist. There's certain categories of food processing where the rules are different, and the science behind them might just change the way you think about food safety itself. Behind these exceptions is a food safety concept called hurdle technology. The idea that instead of relying on one method to stop bad bacteria, multiple obstacles are stacked together. For example, fermentation of foods like kimchi and sauerkraut can happen safely at room temperature. Salt is added, drawing out moisture and creating conditions that suppress harmful bacteria while allowing a beneficial, naturally occurring bacteria called lactobacillus to thrive. Lactobacillus then converts sugars to lactic acid, dropping the pH below a 4.6 and making the environment hostile to pathogens. Once fermentation reaches the desired level, refrigeration can become another food safety hurdle to help extend shelf life. Salt, acid, refrigeration. It's multiple hurdles stacked. Let's look at another example: direct acidification. Take this Hatch chili hot sauce. Heat during process knocks out E. coli and salmonella, but heat-resistant spore formers like Clostridium botulinum can survive that alone. So we add another hurdle: vinegar. Hatch chili naturally sits around pH 6 to 6.8, nowhere near the threshold needed for safety, which is below 4.6. Adding acid drops the pH and stops acid-sensitive pathogens like Clostridium botulinum, Staphylococcus, and Campylobacter in their tracks. This layering of hurdles is why some delicious hot sauces can be safe at room temperature. Food scientists continue to study how these and other hurdles, such as water activity, salt concentration, and oxygen levels, can work together to exhaust or eliminate harmful bacteria. Food safety isn't just hot or cold. With the right hurdles in place, room temperature can also be safe. And when food producers deliberately stack these hurdles into their products, that's not just smart science, that's a deep commitment to keeping your food and your community safe. For home cooks, it is important to follow recipes that have been tested for safety and are recommended by the National Center for Home Food Preservation or a land-grant institution like New Mexico State University.